So a lot of y'all have seen me use the Solomon Straight Razor from Naked Armor before. A lot of y'all don't know Naked Armor, which I was surprised at because I see them everywhere. So the Solomon Straight Razor, I'm a huge fan of. It's beautiful. Blade's a little bigger than I'm used to. I like a 5/8 right down the middle, you know, the sweet spot there. This one is a 7/8, tapers down to a 5/8 on the heel. So it's a little bigger. This is light. This is mahogany wood scales. This isn't brass, this is gold copper right here. Very pretty. Came well oiled. Very nice razor. So these are 59 to 61 HRC. I had said in a previous video I thought these were Chinese steel. They're not. This is Japanese steel, which I think does make a difference. I thought this was a 6/8. This is actually 7/8. 5/8 to 7/8. I like the unique design of it. Naked Armor has some very beautiful razors. This one is very pretty. Now what I like about the Naked Armors, me personally, is I think they're good for either starting out or for just if you like wet shaving. It's not bad at all. It's a very beautiful razor, very unique. Really like the green. So very cool, nice shave. Naked Armor Erec, $95. I think it's worth it.